navigating through Smart-STB app channels. Just look at the bottom. You have red for view, green for sorting, and yellow for favorite. Blue is grayed out. In this mode it is not available. So how do you get these things? So whatever be your device, here it is Google Chromecast, whatever be your device, keep it pressed OK or enter button. Now you see this F1, F2, F3, F4, red, green, yellow and blue. Now let's check F1. You can see that the way you want to see the list appears here. Let's get back. See the green. You can sort the channels by number, by title, or you can display only the favorite. Now let's say title. Say it is alphabetical order, it is listed. So now next is the yellow. Get the screen remote control back, and this channel you look at here. See this, press, see the yellow asterisk, that is now this channel is set as favorite. So this is on the TV side. So here useful function is usually the 4 search. You can see that you can search for movies in the database. Press, the window opens up, and also keyboard opens up. So you can search for, so from the given it, the search is out now. You can also play around with other functions. One of the useful thing will be the settings. You can get more details from the website of Smart-STB. Thank you.